Okay everybody, welcome back to another episode of Then We Eat. This week, takes a little long considering what we're making, but I can tell you it's way worth the effort. So this week, we're going to be making a Cuban sandwich. Alright, as I mentioned, this does actually take a little bit of time to make, but it is well worth the effort. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to marinate a pork shoulder. It's about 3 pounds, I think. So we're going to marinate this overnight and then come back tomorrow and carry on with the sandwich. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is we're going to marinate our pork shoulder. As I say, this is about 3 pounds, 3.5 pounds, something like that. So for the marinade, we've got 3/4 cup of olive oil, 8 wonderful cloves of garlic, 1/4 cup of some mint, and this is about 1/4 cup of lime juice and 3/4 cup of orange juice. Zest from 1 orange. And finally, we have 2 teaspoons of cumin, a teaspoon of pepper, 1/2 teaspoon of salt, and a teaspoon of oregano. If you can use fresh oregano, you'd use a tablespoon. Ours isn't, we've just got the gardens in, so it's not ready yet. So we're gonna use dry today. So dump that in, and that's it. Easy peasy. We're just gonna squeeze some of the air out. And then just give this a bit of a mix. Okay, so that's it. It's gonna go back in the fridge overnight, and we'll put it on the smoker tomorrow morning. I'll probably, maybe in a couple, 3 hours, I'll turn this once, might turn it twice, just because it's kind of high for the amount of marinade. So that's all right. Just keep turning it a bit, and it'll be just perfect. So that's it. We'll see you tomorrow. Well, for you guys it's been a couple of seconds, for us it's been a day. So our pork is off the barbecue, cooked to perfection, shredded lovely, tastes amazing. So this is just one piece of our sandwich, so we'll get this out of the way. I should say we smoked it on the smoker at about 250 Fahrenheit for roughly 10 hours. And you can see it's pulled beautifully, so it's perfectly cooked. So we'll put that aside, and we'll get building our sandwich. So unfortunately, we couldn't get a more chewy bun in this case, so we've gone with paninis. You want something a little chewier normally, but these will work. There's not a problem. So we'll just carry on with what we got. So the first thing we're going to do is I've made up a little sauce. It's got 1/4 cup of mayonnaise, 1/4 cup of mustard. I used spicy bold mustard. You can also use yellow mustard or Dijon mustard. And then I added just a little bit of Then We Eat devil powder. You can use cayenne to replace the devil powder, or leave it out entirely if you don't like things a little spicy. So let's slather a little of this on the bun. Then we're gonna add a couple of pieces of Swiss cheese. Oh, actually, maybe we'll just add 1 piece of Swiss cheese. That looks like loads. Actually, you know what we'll do? Let's put a little on both sides. There we go. Beautiful. This is smoked Black Forest ham. You could use just either a Black Forest ham or a honey ham, whatever you like. But this one, because it's smoked, we thought it would go well with the pork. So we'll put a couple of layers of that on. Then we're going to add, these are some homemade pickles that we made last year. These are garlic dills with a little bit of spice to them. So we're going to add that next. And then we're just going to top it off with a little bit of pulled pork and put the lid on. Well, actually in this case, it built the whole thing upside down. So there you go. Now it's not upside down. All right, so there you go. There's the sandwich built. We'll just wait for the panini press to come up to temperature, and add a little butter, and we're off to the races. So just give me a second, I'll clean up and get this ready. All right, first thing we're gonna do, gonna add a little butter to the press. Get this old sandwich right in the middle there. A little bit of press down, and down with the panini press. You have to be a little careful that you don't knock things off, but it'll be good. And we'll leave that a minute, let her cook up. All right, I think we're good there. The cheese is melted, which is basically all you're looking for. Just brown up the bun a bit, melt the cheese, heat everything up a bit. So I'd say we're good to go. So we'll just slip that onto a plate. All right, so let's give her a slice, see how she looks inside. Oh, the nice crisp on the bun. Nice layers of meat and cheese. Beautiful. So we have pickles, pork, cheese. How bad can this be? Let's give it a taste, see how we did. It's hot, very hot. That's really tasty. So that's really, really good. Nice combination with the ham and the smoked pork. The pickles add a really nice bite to it, and the mustard just adds that little bit of extra kick. That's a really good sandwich. It's a little bit of work, but the pulled pork you can use for other things as well, so not a big deal. So thanks for watching. If you like this video, make sure you hit the like button. Share it with all your buddies, because I can tell you they're going to love this sandwich. And don't forget to hit the notification bell to be notified every time we upload a new video. Don't forget, we put the recipes in the description below, so if you missed any of the quantities, you can see them down there. And don't forget, first we cook, then we eat. So good.